Morning guys, October 16th, 2025. And I got a call from an older gent. I guess he's got an oil-fired furnace, and he hasn't cleaned it in a long time, and it's not heating up the way it used to heat up. And I told him if it's an oil furnace, you should service it every year like clockwork, because if the thing gets full of soot, you really can't get the soot out of it. You really can't get the soot out of a furnace because the way it's designed, and it's like a can inside of a can. But anyway, we're gonna go over there and see if we can figure out why it's acting up for the guy, and see if we can get him heat. It needs a nozzle on the filter for sure. Maybe we'll see if hopefully it's not full of soot. Maybe the air filter. He seemed a little like an elderly type of guy, so definitely lack of maintenance. Anyway, he called me yesterday, and I'm going by there this morning and see if I can help him. It should be running with the thermostat's turned up.
You want me to turn it off?
I'm gonna go check it. I gotta check the batteries anyway, and no clean outs on this fucker.
I don't know who did that. The doctor to seal off that filter.
They're like a flipping. You need lights down here. All your lights are.
Yeah, I haven't been down here in quite a while.
The lights are on, but nobody's home.
See right here is where the furnace.
Yeah, that's the emergency switch. Where's the thermostat?
Over here.
Wow. You got it too low. Look at that fucker. I mean, that's an old one. I just want to make sure it comes on before I,
It needs to come on. It comes on and off. Hear it?
All right. We'll do the service on it, okay? Like I said, I really can't clean it out. There's no clean outs on the thing. But I could put a nozzle and a filter in it and hope for the best.
Who sealed it? I don't know who sealed it like that.
Yeah, I don't know either. Cobweb from hell here. Somebody sealed this thing all with. I don't know why the hell they would seal a fucker. Can't even get it off. The fucking thing. It's all filthy. I wonder why he's getting no heat. All filthy. Hello! Yeah, we could do it with the kitchen sink there.
You're gonna have to get all the dishes under there. Because he needs the sink.
That's why he's getting no heat, no air.
What is that from?
The air filter's blocked. Yeah, the guy's gonna get a new filter for it because the thing is just flipping nasty. Needs a new one. I tried washing it upstairs, but it's blocked. Pretty blocked. Not like he's got AC here, but he should still have a filter on the flipping thing. I don't know how. That's weird, 9/16, that's a weird size. I wonder how bad this thing is. I don't think he's had it serviced in a long time. He's a crusty one. Need oil on it's a new tank, so I don't have to worry about that. I'm gonna wash the container out. I guess it don't hurt to change these washers. It doesn't hurt to change them. Let's come with it. There's a bleeder right here. Bleed the air out. It's pretty gnarly. It's pretty gnarly. Could almost pull it through the pump too, you know. Get a good bleed out the pump. I kind of like to do that. I know I get it clean. Bleed it out the pump. Oh, we'll have to see if we can get it to work. It was working before, so. Change the nozzle and you know, full of soot. This is lucky. You know, full of soot, and I got lucky. He's gonna have to get himself a filter. I can give him a measurement, but that air filter's pretty much smoked. Wow, look at that. That's pretty gnarly. Clean this plate up a little bit. Wow! Surprised the thing's still running. To be honest with you.
How is it?
Well, I'm gonna put a new nozzle, new filter in it, get it up and running for you.
Okay. You
What's
got
it
the
called? It
filter?
calls for a
I'll take the
75
filter
or an
with me.
85. I'll measure it and you can get the proper size for it.
Yeah. I can take the whole thing with me.
No, yeah, because that thing was bigger than it should have been. It was bent.
Yeah.
I mean, that's what they call a washable one. I can give you the dimensions you need and you can go to Ace Hardware and go get a filter.
Yeah, I know where to go get those filters. Okay.
I'll get you a measurement. I'll put it on a piece of paper, what size filter it is, and you can get that
I just
size.
wanted to know if you needed a pen or something.
Or you can get what they call a washable one.
Yeah.
Either one. That one was washable, but I mean, without a garden hose, I can't wash it.
Yeah.
I tried it in the shower, I tried it in the sink, but it's not coming clean.
No, you didn't have to do that. You could have just measured it. And it was, I wouldn't have put it back in, you know.
Well, sometimes you can get them clean, but you don't have a garden hose, right? You said?
Yeah.
I seen some.
Well,
I seen
when it's messed up. It is when you turn it on, you can't shut it off anymore. It needs a new needle.
Okay, yeah.
You know, and I couldn't get in there to fix it. I just come out of rehab, you know, and I get hit with all this stuff.
Oh yeah, what's wrong with you?
Oh, I fell.
Oh, you fell.
Yeah.
That's not good.
So I'm still recovering.
You hurt your hip or something?
No, there was nothing broken.
Nothing broken.
No.
Like I said, this furnace doesn't have any cleanouts. We're gonna get it back together and see how it runs.
Yeah.
Make sure we get a good oil flow out the pump here and make sure it's running and make sure the fan works for you so you got heat. But we'll measure that filter
Did it
for you.
need to be fixed? Yeah.
I don't. Well, I mean, I'm doing the service here,
Yeah.
and I don't know what the rest of it's going to entail until I run it, right?
Yeah.
Let's see.
Charlie's Oil used to take care of this.
Who?
Charlie's Oil, but they don't service
I don't
these
know
no
him.
more.
What happened to him? He's probably in flipping rehab too. No?
What's that?
He's probably in rehab too.
Yeah.
Did he die?
I don't know. He's still in business. He just stopped doing this.
Run this pump. Make sure it's get a good.
I'll be upstairs.
All right. Hopefully I can get this fucker loose.
I just wanted to make sure you had everything you needed.
I got this control. I can jump out here. Let me get a good bleed on it. I'm gonna get a good bleed on it. Jump out the FF so I keep it running. Full of soot. Looks a little rich to me. I'd like to give it a little bit more air. A little orangey. Give it a little bit more air. More air. I got another. Wrench here. Open up that air band. Give it a little bit more air. Running a little rich. I like to run it a little bit leaner than that myself. Then I I should be able to open this up a little bit so you can give it a little bit more air. Let's try that. Check it upstairs if it doesn't work. Alright, full of soot. Fine line between having too much and not enough, you know? What a flippin' mess. We'll check the ductwork, see if there's any CO in the ductwork. It's pretty gnarly, mama. Fan's working. Gotta get a measurement on that fan. Right. 20. 20 by 20. The size he needs. The guy takes the vacuum breaker right off the tank. That's illegal. I don't know who did that, but that's not right. You got them all blocked.
I got one in the vacuum.
All right, I'm just checking to make sure that it's not giving off high carbon monoxide levels. I don't see anything. All right, new filter at tank, new nozzle, go to oil flow, reset air band, 0 CO and registers. You're gonna run out and get some filters for the back, right?
Yeah.
You need to do that because you got no filter to catch the dust. So you need to get 20 by 20 by 1. Okay? Or you can get a washable one, like you got one of those blue or green ones, and cut it. You can cut it to fit with scissors.
Or I can get a regular one.
You can get a washable one and cut it with scissors to fit.
Oh yeah, they'll cut it for me where the place I go.
Well, no, you just bring it here and get some scissors and you can cut it yourself.
Yeah, I can do that.
You can do that.
Yeah.
Clean out shut, the thing's not leaking over there, so. Yeah, definitely the filter's not looking the greatest there. He's a little mucky.